हेलो दोस्तों, तो कैसे हैं आप सभी। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप सभी ठीक होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं 5 ईयर प्लान एमसीक्यूज के बारे में। बिना टाइम ज़ाय किए आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। हु इनिशिएटेड द सोवियत यूनियंस फर्स्ट 5 ईयर स्ट्रेटजी? ए जोसेफ स्टालिन, बी व्लादिमीर पुतिन, सी जोसेफ कैल्विन, डी जैक फिनी। आंसर ऑप्शन ए जोसेफ स्टालिन। Question number 2. Who was the first chairman of Planning Commission? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Gulzarlal Nanda, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Motilal Nehru. Answer option C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 3. The concept of 5 year plan was borrowed from which country? A. USA, B. Japan, C. Russia, D. France. Answer option C. Russia. Question number 4. The final approval to the 5 year plans of India was used to given by A. Niti Aayog, B. President of India, C. National Development Council, D. Ministry of Finance. Answer option C. National Development Council. Question number 5. Who was the first deputy chairman of Planning Commission? A. Abdul Kalam Azad, B. Gulzarilal Nanda, C. K.C. Niyogi, D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer option B. Gulzarilal Nanda. Question number 6. Who used to be the president of the National Development Council? A. Vice President, B. RBI Governor, C. Home Minister, D. Prime Minister. Answer option D. Prime Minister. Question number 7. What was on top priority in the first 5 year plan in India? A. Agriculture, B. Steel plants, C. Ports, D. Industries. Answer option A. Agriculture. Question number 8. At the end of the first 5 year plan, how many IITs were established in India? A. 2, B. 4, C. 3, D. 5. Answer option D. 5. Question number 9. During which 5 year plan did India opted for a mixed economy? A. Second 5 year plan, B. Third 5 year plan, C. Fourth 5 year plan, D. First 5 year plan. Answer option A, second 5-year plan. Question number 10. The Khadi and Village Industry Commission was established in which 5-year plan? A, third 5-year plan. B, second 5-year plan. C, fourth 5-year plan. D, first 5-year plan. Answer option B, second 5-year plan. Question number 11. Which 5-year plan had the primary goal to establish India as a self-reliant and self-generating economy? A, first 5-year plan. B, second 5-year plan. C, third 5-year plan. D, fourth 5-year plan. Answer option C, third 5-year plan. Question number 12. Which of the following 5-year plans was affected due to drought and two wars? A, first 5-year plan. B, third 5-year plan. C, fifth 5-year plan. D, sixth 5-year plan. Answer option B, third 5-year plan. Question number 13. During the time of which plan the government introduced Green Revolution? A, second 5-year plan. B, ninth 5-year plan. C, third 5-year plan. D, 10th 5-year plan. Answer option C, third 5-year plan. Question number 14. The annual plan described as plan holiday were implemented during A, 1965 to 1966. B, 1966 to 1969. C, 1967 to 1970. D, 1968 to 1971. Answer option B, 1966 to 1969. Question number 15. In India, which of the following 5-year plans the slogan of Garibi Hatao was given? A, third 5-year plan. B, fourth 5-year plan. C, fifth 5-year plan. D, sixth 5-year plan. Answer option B, fourth 5-year plan. Question number 16. What was the duration of India's first plan holiday in terms of 5-year plan? A, 1966 to 1967. B, 1968 to 1969. C, both A and B. D, only A. Answer option C, both A and B. That is 1966 to 1967 and 1968 to 1969. Question number 17. Which of the following 5-year plan gave emphasis on removal of poverty for the first time in India? A. Fourth Five-Year Plan. B. Fifth Five-Year Plan. C. Sixth Five-Year Plan. D. Seventh Five-Year Plan. Answer option B. Fifth Five-Year Plan. Question number 18. Who was the chairman of Sixth Five-Year Plan? A. Morarji Desai. B. Rajiv Gandhi. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Indira Gandhi. Answer option D. Indira Gandhi. Question number 19. Under which five-year plan Blue Revolution was started in India? A. Fifth. B. Sixth. C. Seventh. D. Eighth. Answer option C. Seventh. Question number 20. In which plan the human development is the core of all development efforts was recognized? A. 8th Five-Year Plan. B. 9th Five-Year Plan. C. 7th Five-Year Plan. D. 6th Five-Year Plan. Answer option A. 8th Five-Year Plan. Question number 21. One of the main objectives of the 8th Five-Year Plan was A. Reduction of poverty by 10% points. B. Modernization of industries. C. Achieving 8% annual GDP growth. D. Doubling per capita income by 2016 to 2017. Answer option B. Modernization of industries. Question number 22. In which plan growth with social justice and equality was recognized? A. 8th Five-Year Plan. B. 9th Five-Year Plan. C. 7th Five-Year Plan. D. 6th Five-Year Plan. Answer option B. 9th Five-Year Plan. Question number 23. The theme of the 9th Five-Year Plan 1997 to 2002 was A. Faster, more inclusive and sustainable growth. B. Growth and social justice and equality. C. Human development. D. Food, work and productivity. Answer option C. Human development. Question number 24. Which five-year plan aimed at doubling per capita income in next 10 years? A. 8th Five-Year Plan. B. 9th Five-Year Plan. C. 10th Five-Year Plan. D. 6th Five-Year Plan. Answer option C. 10th Five-Year Plan. Question number 25. The target average GDP growth rate for the 10th 5-year plan 2002 to 2007 was approximately A. 6.5%, B. 7%, C. 8%, D. 9%. Answer option C 8%. Question number 26. The 11th 5-year plan ended in the year A. 2010, B. 2011, C. 2012, D. 2013. Answer option C 2012. Question number 27. Under the 11th plan, one of the goals was the double per capita income by A. 2011 to 2012, B. 2016 to 2017, C. 2020 to 2021, D. 2025 to 2026. Answer option B 2016 to 2017. Question number 28. What was the theme of 12th and the last 5-year plan? A. Faster, more inclusive and sustainable growth. B. Sustainability and growth. C. Increment in economy. D. Faster the growth, faster the development. Answer option A faster, more inclusive and sustainable growth. Question number 29. The 12th plan aimed to generate how many new work opportunities in the non-farm sector? A. 30 million, B. 40 million, C. 50 million, D. 60 million. आंसर ऑप्शन सी 50 मिलियन। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर आज का वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल में नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।